Welcome to Module 1 of Ways to Finance Your Business. I am Dr. Evelyn Anderson, the CEO of Elevate Commercial Lending, Board Chair for the Inland Valley, President of the Southern California Black Chamber of Commerce, serving 15 chambers from the desert to the sea. Why am I the perfect person to be bringing this material to you? I am a multi-talented practitioner, and in finance, they call me the money doctor. My areas of expertise encompass criminal justice, developing strategic partnerships, securing grants and contracts, and cultivating client and donor relationships through stewardship planning. I'm a published author and specialize in urban planning and redevelopment, minorities, crime, and social justice. I'm also a professor at a local university. My expertise in entrepreneurship allows me to educate and mentor students, equipping them with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the business world. Before starting my teaching career, I served as a law enforcement sergeant specializing in entrepreneurship for formerly incarcerated individuals. This unique background gives me a distinctive perspective on entrepreneurship in public and private spaces. I want to show you how to unlock the potential of your business with my comprehensive suite of resources tailored to elevate your marketing strategy and propel your business to new heights. Here's a tidbit for you. Did you know that the United States government was the largest contractor in the world? Clients seem to lack the basic structure to compete for government contracts or to become vendors with the United States government. The Biden and Harris administration enhanced the contracting policy legislation to include that a greater percentage of government contracts must be allotted to small business owners. What that means for you is access. I want to share with you my 10 prescriptions for business success. Think about preparing a plan. Research the market. Know what your competitors are doing. Make an outline of your plan. Do the research on everything that comes to mind. Secure your financing and understand how to use your own money. Pledge loans is something to consider. That's where you actually put up your own capital and borrow from yourself. You become your own bank. Commit to repaying any loans that you take out as soon as you can. Choose an entity type, whether it's a sole proprietor, a limited liability corporation, or an S or a C Corp. Register your business with the Secretary of State. Remember, you cannot get a business banking account without this registration. Register a fictitious business name. This is something that you need to evaluate if you're doing business in the state of California. Get your business certified, woman owned, minority owned, veteran owned, or any other type of disadvantaged business. Obtain all the necessary licenses and permits. Business licenses are required in most cities if you're selling a good or a service. You must get an employer identification number and be courageous. Don't just pay someone for the service because the cost for an EIN number is zero. You do not have to pay. Do your own research. Make sure you file your taxes. A rule of thumb is that every money that you make should be deposited. Use standard banking systems to transact all money matters. Keep copious notes on all sales from the thought of selling to the bank deposit. Have your taxes prepared before you see the professional. No one should know your taxes better than you. And remember that Secretary of State registration that you need to complete? You must do that every single year. But you know what? If you fail to do it one year, you can ask for forgiveness, comply with the filing, and they will waive the fee for you. Now you're ready to elevate. Are you ready to generate some revenue? Do you need working capital to expand? Do you need a line of credit to do business better? Do you need to work to establish measurables that will facilitate your position for a grant or vendor competitive process? Then we need to talk about how to finance your business. That concludes Module 1.